oil spill, and it was cleaned up on site, but the restoration to that population of shorebird took place many, many miles away from the site of the spill at its natural nesting grounds at an island off of Newfoundland. And so there was some restoration that needed to be done there. And even though it wasn't at the same location, it really provided the kind of restoration that natural resource damages law is looking for. An important thing to remember is that natural resource damages law is compensatory. It seeks compensation. It's not punitive. So it's the money damages that are paid or the restoration projects that a responsible party, in this case, responsible party is JAM, those are not fines or penalties, it's compensation. Just the broad legal framework for natural resource damages law, under the federal statutory scheme, you have CERCLA, which is the Comprehensive Environmental Response Clean Air Liability Act, the Superfund Law, the Federal Superfund Law, the Oil Protection Act, OPA, and the Clean Water Act. And under state law, we have the New York State Navigation Law, and there are some common law bases for bringing a natural resource damages claim. Typically, not typically, always, when you're talking NRD, the parties seeking the compensation are trustees under the law, and the parties from whom the trustees are trying to get compensation are the responsible parties under the law for the releases of the hazardous substances. So whenever you have an injury to or destruction of or loss of natural resources or the services provided by those resources, whether they be biological services or human use services, you have a natural resource damage claim. Types of releases that NRD looks at are discharges of oil, releases of hazardous substances, or some other pollutant under, say for example, the Clean Water Act. In this particular case, what we've done, we've looked at the sediment data from the river.